there might be small NFT airdrop.
Oh,
There have been talks of a potential snapshot for a second token on the Plank blockchain.
hey family, welcome back to Kudos Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video, we have a guest who is bringing his new blockchain on the Web3 space. This is called Planq Network, and guess what? This is the first mobile friendly blockchain built on Cosmos SDK. And today, we are going to uncover not just about the blockchain, but also what is native token PLQ. So, welcome, Thom. Welcome to Kudos Tubes. How are you doing today?
Thank you, Paras. I am doing pretty good. Thank you so much, and thank you for having me and taking such interest in our project.
Yeah, thanks, Henry. So, as I know that Thom is a community and marketing manager at Plank Network, and he's taking care of the community building part and also looking at the marketing efforts in which that how the company is growing. And let me just start by asking you about your journey in the crypto space, how it started, and when did you plan to enter into blockchain, or what are you doing before that?
All right, so I have a background in marketing in for a traditional IT company, a big Microsoft partner. And
Okay.
from there, I got really interested in technology. And I've always been very interested in investing and economics in general. I also studied economics in school. And then I think it was around 2018, I started working for a different software company. And there was this guy, and he was telling me about XRP and
Okay.
how it's
Ripple.
going to, yeah, Ripple XRP, and how it was going to change the world. And I think they just got sued at the time.
Yeah,
Uh
2020 was the year. Yeah, this year they
was it
won though,
2020?
but yeah, it was like 2020. They got sued by SEC, calling their Ripple as a security. But yeah, it was
Yeah.
like 3 years now. They won the case.
And he said they are going to win the case for sure. He was already saying it back then. And it's going to revolutionize the finance tech industry. And I didn't do anything with it back then.
Okay.
And
Did
then
you buy some Ripple? Did
yeah, yes, I
you?
did. I bought
Oh,
it
that's the
was my
best thing that you can do at that time. Actually, I think you did the right job.
yeah, I bought it for, I think it was 28 cents at the time.
Oh,
28 cents. So pretty good buy. I bought €100 from
nice.
I think it was an internship or something, and I got like a little bit of a small salary, and I got some XRP the same day, and I didn't do anything with it. I wasn't that interested in crypto. And then in 2021, I think when the bull run of 2021 started, my friends got very interested in crypto, and I didn't do anything with it until we
Okay.
were a little bit later. And then then I started buying some tokens. I bought some Ethereum, I think.
Okay.
And
What about
then
Bitcoin? What about
no
Bitcoin?
Bitcoin. I thought it was too high. Super stupid. Now
Yeah.
I own Bitcoin. Now I invest in Bitcoin. But
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
yeah,
That's a good start because when I started my journey back in like 2017, 2018, I invested in a lot of shitcoins that are mostly like scam. And the first token that I invested in is actually Ripple. That was way back
Ripple as
in
well. Nice.
2017 at around 25 cents. And the thing is that I'm still holding 50% of the bag. I sold 50%, got into some metaverse project that just boomed.
Oof.
But yeah, Ripple is still here.
Yeah, and Ripple is doing well. Yeah. And then in
Yeah.
early 2022, I got very interested in Cosmos because I like the app chain thesis, and that thesis is that if you build an application that is very successful, then it needs its own chain. Because you see,
Yes.
for example, Ethereum very high fees because it's very popular, because there are some really big applications on there like OpenSea and
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah.
what's it called, the big Uniswap,
Yeah.
things like that.
Uniswap, you have Aave protocol. There are like
Yeah,
hundreds of applications
and they're so
all on.
big.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they had IBC, and it was super easy to transfer like tokens, and it was very stable. There were no bridges. I don't like bridges because they're hacked easily. And then I got super interested in it. Like early 2022, I went all in on Cosmos, And then late 2022, I discovered Planq, and I saw it was filling the niche of a mobile cryptocurrency platform, and I was like, "Yep, I want to be a part of that." I joined the team, and yeah, here I am, and so far
That's
I'm
how it
loving it.
started. Yeah, nice, nice. So even I got a chance to look at the website of Plank Network, and I see they have written their priority as mobile friendly. All you need is a mobile device just to operate on a Plank network. That's it. That's what my first impression is, and that's why the next point comes in our discussion. Like, what about the overview of Plank Network? What is it? How does it work? And what all in there for a newbie to understand? Like, if I am entering into cryptocurrency today and I see Plank Network, what should I expect? What it is?
Of course, yeah, and I brought some slides with me to better explain what we are and what we do and why we do it. So
Sure, sure.
start with some company information. We are a team from the Netherlands.
Okay,
Development is from the Plank yeah, the FPV. Not that interesting. We coordinate all development. We were founded in 2022, and our token, as you alluded to earlier, is PLQ.
okay,
So we have a mobile first approach. What does that mean? We believe that the future of cryptocurrency, the future of sending money, the future of DeFi is on mobile phones. There are a lot more people in the world that have a mobile phone. So everything we develop is with mobile usability in mind. Um,
okay.
because we believe that crypto adoption on mobile phone, that is the future.
I think that's the right way to think because, like from my past experience, like I worked in the e-commerce industry, a lot of traffic was generated through desktops first, and with time, it switched to completely to mobile. It's like
Yeah.
70-30 ratio, and I think blockchain is also going in the same direction. If not now, then later. So yeah, mobile first approach is pretty good idea.
Yeah, and just for example, 50% of the world population does
Okay.
not have access to a desktop or laptop, but 80% has access to a mobile phone. So
Oh,
I mean, it kind of speaks
that's
for
where
itself,
yeah, reach comes into play. That's where the reach comes into play.
right?
Mobile, yeah,
Yeah.
correct,
So
correct.
so we're trying to break down those barriers, and we invite a wider audience that way, because that's an audience that uh, doesn't need to have a desktop, and there will be a lot of impact. We think if everything is peer to peer from your phone to someone else's phone, and every decentralized application and DeFi application can be accessed on your phone, we think that's very, very useful. I also have some other key metrics. Average block time of 5 seconds, very fast compared to the likes of
Ethereum,
Bitcoin or
mm,
Ethereum.
definitely.
Yeah. Cosmos SDK, we believe that Cosmos is the best technology that is out there currently.
So
That's
just to chip in, if you are watching this video and you don't know about Cosmos, let me just tell you, Cosmos was the first project that actually started the interoperability, that solved the problem of interoperability using IBC, which is inter blockchain communication protocol, so that two blockchains can communicate with each other. So this is Cosmos, and Cosmos SDK is especially used to create your own blockchain. Like you have Terra Luna also, that was like in the past during the good days. It was also built on Cosmos SDK, and if I'm not wrong, I think BNB chain, which is Binance Smart Chain, is also built on Cosmos SDK. So
yep,
that's the beauty of Cosmos. And then we have now Plank Network. Yeah, please
yeah.
continue.
We are among the greats. Yeah, so we are also EVM enabled, so the Ethereum virtual machine. So it's very easy to fork applications from Ethereum onto the
So
Plank network.
that means that your blockchain supports Solidity, correct?
Correct, yes. We have
Nice.
100 validators around the world. We're multi-chain, and we currently have a staking APR of 141%.
Nice. So, oh,
Oh.
so let me just put it. Your mainnet is already live, is it?
Yes. Yes. Oh,
That
sorry. Yes, it
that's great.
is. Yeah, we've been live since November 2022.
Wow, that's wonderful. So it's not just talks, they are actually live with the mainnet. So just take a note, guys. They are already live, and there are few blockchains, the new blockchains, who has not just launched their testnet, but they are yet waiting to launch their mainnet. And here we have Plank blockchain, who has already launched its mainnet in silence.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it.
So that's a brief overview. I think everyone got the idea what Plank Network is about and where it is heading. It is mobile friendly. It is built on Cosmos SDK. The block time is 5 seconds. That makes it one of the fastest blockchain out there. And of course, it is EVM compatible. That is what the projects want. Every DApp is wants to be on an EVM compatible blockchain, and that's what Plank offers. So now the second thing that like everyone is like most of the people like my viewers and maybe crypto investors or a newbies, you can call them, they are more interested in the token part of it. What is the token, what is about, and how it works, is what is the utility of it, that and the benefits, so that they should know the potential of this token. So why don't you talk about the PLQ token, the native token of Plank Network, and about its utility and features?
Yeah, of course. So here are some tokenomics. We have a initial supply of 100 million. There's a currently a 20% inflation, brings the total on 113 million tokens, with 48 million in circulation, and the rest is all locked up.
Okay.
And yeah, we are relatively small still. Our token is worth 2 million. The fully diluted market cap is 5.3 million, and price per token is 5 cents.
5 cents.
So you ask what the Plank tokens are used for.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, you can stake the Plank tokens, and that does two things. It helps secure the network because we are a proof of stake chain. Uh, so that is also nice. And for locking up your tokens and providing that security, there is also a staking reward, and that is currently 140% APR.
Oh.
Uh, that will go down. Uh,
Yeah, understood. But this is the right time. If I want to stake the tokens, I will get 140% APR.
yeah, yeah. But if more people stake, obviously that goes down.
That goes down. Yeah.
Yeah, and if a big amount of tokens are staked, then the current inflation will also go down to about 8%.
Okay.
And if you auto compound, that's 300% APY. So that is nice to accumulate some tokens early on.
Oh, that's nice. So guys, if you're watching it and if you have any question about the staking part of it, you can drop your questions in the comment section and we will try to answer it at the earliest. Of course, this can be the right time for you to buy the token and stake it to at least earn 140% APR. That's basically a very good number in the down market.
Yeah. So the
Yeah.
Plank token is not just used to stake. It is also used in gas fees and to send transactions in our mobile application, Castrum. That's a mobile wallet where you can send peer-to-peer transactions cross border.
Okay.
Um, yeah, we also have a protocol, dep.space. I'll show that a little bit later, but you can upvote decentralized applications there, locking up planks to get it on a higher rank.
So is the Plank token also used for governance part? Like if is there any voting, like community voting kind of stuff?
Yes, yes, it is also
Okay,
used for
okay.
governance. So all this big decisions in the Plank ecosystem are made via governance, and you are right. I almost forgot. It is also used in governance. So if you,
So that's what make it decentralized, correct?
yes, correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
So staking, then you have governance. Of course, these are the two main features which are
yeah.
covered. So and gas fees, the third one. So just
Gas
like
fees.
Ethereum ETH, we have PLQ token taking care of the Plank network with its
Yep.
utility and benefits. So that's a kind of good benefit, good utility of a token. And once the blockchain start adding on more projects into its ecosystem, of course the usability of Plank token will increase, and once it increase, the demand will increase, and once the demand will increase, of course the price will shoot up. So that's for the Plank token, guys. So listen carefully. If you are listening to this video, remember Plank is almost at its lowest right now, just 5 cents. You said 5 cents,
Yeah, currently 5 cents.
5 cents, and who knows, in the bull market, this 5 cents can turn into $100. That's a wild guess, but yeah, anything is possible in cryptocurrency, and especially a project which has a use case which is a legit blockchain. Yeah. So to add on to this, to add on more value on the Plank network, we have to talk about its ecosystem and if there is any project onboarded yet and how the ecosystem is growing. That is what the community or the investors want to hear, especially the retail investors. If the ecosystem is growing, that means the project has some weight in it, and
Yeah,
that's where Thom will take us through the ecosystem part of it.
yeah. So our flagship product is Custrum, as I alluded to earlier. It is a mobile wallet that can send and receive cryptocurrency and interact with the blockchain. And we also build in a encrypted chat. And these features will be built out in the future, but that is what it does currently. It is
Okay.
available on the App Store.
Okay, so this is your mobile wallet.
Yes,
Okay,
correct. Yeah,
so this is Plank native mobile wallet that you have developed.
yeah, on
Oh,
mobile.
nice, nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Then we have a dep.space.
Okay,
It's a Cosmos application library where you can up and downvote apps with Plank tokens. I'm going to quickly show it. As you can see here, this is dep.space, and you can look up Plank to upvote
okay,
and downvote other Cosmos applications. Because Cosmos is so interoperable, um, it is very
yes,
easy to use all applications. So you can see some information about this exchange hoppers.
okay,
You can open it, and fans can buy Plank tokens and upvote their favorite applications.
nice, nice. So, guys, just take a note. I will share all the links in the description of this video, so you don't have to worry about searching for them. So, all the links will be shared in the description. Whatever we have discussed about the ecosystem, whatever the links are shared. So, yeah, just check out the description box and you will get to know all the links about the Plank network. Yeah,
Yeah.
over
Then
to
we
you,
have
Tom.
Plank Asset Wizard, or PAW, and that is where you can create your own token for the Plank blockchain. So if you want to start a project or a meme coin on Plank, that is very easy. I'm going to
Okay, so it's
quickly.
like creating an ERC20 token on Ethereum. So I can
Yes.
just create my own token in Plank Asset Wizard. So what do I call it? It's like P20, like Ethereum is ERC20. Is
Yeah,
there
it's an
any name?
ERC20 token.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, you just fill this in, and it
Okay,
will automatically mint these to your wallet, and then you can
nice, nice. So
then you
can
have.
I create NFT tokens also here, or right now just
No,
ERC?
not yet. But
Okay.
yeah, you could make an NFT project and link these tokens to it, but you cannot create that
I like
specific.
this
Yeah.
part actually. If I want to create my own meme coin, let's say for my own Telegram community, I can just create it right over here
Yes, you
on the Plank
can.
network. Just connect my wallet, and it will take me, I think, a minute or less, maybe, to create a token.
Maybe even less actually. We can do it really fast if I can log in. Okay. I don't have any Plank on this wallet, too bad.
Oh,
But
that's
you
fine.
can
That's
just
fine.
go
But
up.
I will share this link in the description. So if you are planning to create a token on the Plank network, this can be a chance. If you want to create a meme token or any utility based token with the use case, you can use PAW.
Yes.
Yeah.
So then we have a work in progress. That is a decentralized exchange from Plank. Can't say too much about that yet, but that is coming soon. We have Plankify, a
Okay.
web wallet, because we understand that not everyone wants to use their phone. So we have also made a web wallet for people to easily interact with the tokens they created with the Asset Wizard, for example.
Okay. It's like a browser based wallet.
Yeah. So this is
Okay.
what it looks like.
Okay.
Very simple, simple wallet where you can send and identify tokens. Uh, You can see that I've made a token here that it's identified,
Okay.
and you can add all your wallets here. It's just a little bit easier to mess around with the Planq ecosystem.
Oh, nice. That's the right way. I think the Plank is going. I like that the first line of interaction with any blockchain is the wallet. And since your team is working on browser-based and mobile-based wallets, that's pretty interesting. Are you also planning to like integrate with MetaMask in the future, like
Yeah,
your
no, we are fully integrated with MetaMask already. So
Oh, wow, wow.
how our EVM works is that we have the Cosmos side,
Okay,
and we have the MetaMask side, and you can import your wallet seed phrase into MetaMask, and then you have the same tokens on both wallets, and then you can interact with Cosmos apps with the Plank
okay.
token, and our apps are on the MetaMask side. So actually, if you are on your desktop, the best way to play around with Plank is with MetaMask.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
Yes.
That is good news. That is
Yeah.
good news for Plank holders.
Yeah, you can buy Plank with MetaMask. You can send Plank from centralized exchanges to MetaMask. It's uh it's all happening.
Nice, nice.
Yep.
So yeah. So is Plank is not already listed on some? I think it's already trading on Osmosis. If
Yes.
I'm correct.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's trading on the
correct.
biggest decentralized exchange in Cosmos,
Okay,
Osmosis.
Osmosis is correct.
Yeah,
And
and
also on
then
BingX, right? BingX.
yeah, BingX. BingX is our, I think it's here. BingX is our the first centralized exchange to launch the Plank token. It's a
Wow.
very very big exchange.
Okay, when Binance?
Well, minus, yeah, we'll see, we'll
Yeah,
see.
maybe soon.
Maybe I hope so. That would be nice. But I think we need to build a little bit harder. And
Yeah,
next bull run, man.
that can happen anytime. You don't know,
Yeah,
like it can be like around the corner. We don't know.
true.
Yeah, correct.
And to yeah, say the last thing about this topic, we are also uh, we just started a developer grant program last week.
Okay,
So if any developers are interested in building on the mobile first blockchain, we're
okay,
happy to have the conversation. It's a great the great place to start is the DoraHacks website.
okay.
I have it open here. So as you can
Yeah,
see,
yeah.
we
I
have
can see.
a
I can see.
$15,000 prize pool for the first round,
Yeah.
and yeah, you can look around and register as a hacker or a builder, I should say. They use the word
So,
hacker.
so Web3 developers take note. If you are looking to develop your project to the next level, this is a ERC, this is EVM compatible blockchain, and you are getting a 15K grant. So
Yeah,
yeah, take note. I will share this link, especially this link in the description, so you can check it out and participate. So what I need to do as a developer, I need to create an account. Or what are the steps actually? If you can walk me through.
yeah. So I'll open it quickly. You can create a account, and you can submit a. You can look at what we want to get built, but you can also yeah,
Nice, nice.
pitch us an idea of something you want to build or fork, and then when you are done building, the top projects are rewarded with a grant. And if the your project is not perfect yet, or we haven't chosen you for the first round, you can always just make it better and submit it for round two. And
Nice.
something else you can of course do is, for example, if you want to build a dex on Plank, you can do this with your own token, and
Oh, nice. So is there
then
any deadline for it? Like I think it's already running.
yeah.
Is there any deadline that developer should know?
Yeah, so it's 82 more days. So I think if we go
Oh,
to key date, it started the 14th, so 2 weeks ago. And
okay,
the judging period for all the projects will start on November 14th.
okay. So
Yeah.
apart from Solidity, is there any language that the developer should look for if they want to build on Plank? Like Solidity is also already one of the language. So, but
No,
like,
pretty much Solidity
okay,
is
okay,
fine.
nice.
Just
Nice.
how
Then,
you
then
would build on Ethereum. That's how you can build on Plank, but the gas fees are a lot cheaper. The blockchain is faster, and
oh yes, yes, and it's mobile friendly.
it is mobile friendly.
That's
Yeah,
true. That's true. So guys, take note. You have 15K USD challenge to compete with. There is I think 82 days left, and yeah, go ahead and participate. You may get a chance to get listed your project on the Plank ecosystem. That's the best way to get
yeah,
started. Okay, so that's I think the ecosystem is covered. I like the way the things are moving on for the Plank network. Love the wallets, love the part, love the grant program. So everything is covered. So the main part is what about the team? How is the team? Who is behind the team? So people want to know like from where are you operating, where are you registered, and of course the team who is behind it. Is there any experienced guy or any developer from Solidity developer who is backing the project? What about the team? What about the VCs? So if you can just give a slight idea.
yeah. Of course. So let's start with we are fully from the Netherlands. The core team
Okay.
is, and then we have a few developers in other countries such as Indonesia.
Okay.
Development is coordinated from the Plank Foundation, and
Okay.
we are currently fully self-funded, so there is no VC investment, and that also
Oh,
means that there is no venture capitals to dump tokens on you when the price bumps. So could also be
okay.
a nice thing. We're a team of around 7 people, so that's 3 developers, someone from strategy and legal, then it's me from marketing and community management, and we have the founders. And we're still a relatively small project, so we wear different hats, and we have a lot of experience in traditional finance, IT, and retail.
Okay.
And all of the other guys are like OG crypto guys, so they have a lot of
Okay.
experience
Okay.
in crypto and Web3.
That's nice. I can see the ecosystem, and I can clearly see that the guys are actually on the right path when they are building products which can help the ecosystem grow. The current interface, especially the wallet integration part, the token creation part, these are the essential part for any blockchain to start with. And I think Plank got it right there. And now this time when the thing is that to add more valuable projects, like you said, you have a 15K competition that may include someone introduces a dex into Plank. That will be a wonderful idea. More projects into the Plank network, maybe more use cases will figure out in the coming future. So yeah, this
Yeah,
is the part when people should take a note of Plank network, and if they like the project they should maybe park their money. Of course, not financial advice, but looking at the past behavior of, you can say, Ethereum, you can say Solana, all these projects started like this. They started small, and slowly people start building upon them, and suddenly the price shot up. So that's, I think, can happen with Plank also. uh, that's won't be surprising in the bull run.
yeah. We launched in the bear market, knowing full well that it wasn't the best time to launch, but we are building a strong foundation. So our main priority is getting all the foundation built now, and then
Nice.
we can just focus on marketing and applications when the liquidity and interest in crypto returns.
So as a developer, like I missed this question during the ecosystem part. So every developer on any blockchain has this question, and that is the blockchain focused on like GameFi projects, DeFi projects, or any kind of, are you focused on any specific kind of segment in your ecosystem? Like there should be GameFi projects first, or you're focused on DeFi, maybe like more dexes, or maybe like
mm,
lending protocols. Is there any particular priority?
there's no particular priority. The most important thing is that you have these mobile these applications, but they work on mobile. So there's no specific like, oh, we're a DeFi. I think we're going to have a lot of DeFi applications, but the thing is that they need to work flawlessly on your mobile phone. And I think we're overlooking things like sending peer-to-peer transactions fast to people based not based on their phone number, for example. So I don't think we're gonna gamify a lot or go to like. I think games will launch on Plank eventually. I don't think that's going to be the main focus. I think if you're talking about a DEX, that's really important because you want to swap tokens.
Yeah,
Sending transactions, having a good mobile wallet, I think that's very important. I can see a lending borrowing protocol as well.
yeah, yeah. That's the heart of DeFi and any DeFi on any chain actually.
Yeah,
That's great. That's great. So yeah, so I think pretty much we covered almost everything about the Planck network or what a user want to know on the first go. And the final part, if we can, like from the investor point of view, we can see the Planck current price at around 5 cents, and I think it has reached a high of almost close to $1
yeah. When
during.
we launched, people were very excited, and we had low liquidity, and it pushed it up all the way to $1. That was
Yeah, so
crazy,
that is
crazy
quite
time.
interesting actually, because right now the price is at the buying point according to me. And if I have to, so if you have to predict the price of Planck token not as a member of the Planck network but as a, retail crypto investor from the outside, what do you what are your thoughts about the Planck? How's the ecosystem going? What do you think? How far can Planck go during the the bull run?
Yeah,
Of course, that will be about that will be a kind of a guess, but yeah,
yeah,
as I see, as I see the ecosystem is growing, there should be. I can clearly see it can actually hit beyond $1 very
yeah.
easily,
I think so as
very very very
well.
very easily.
Yeah. What we aim for is to be a top 100 project next bull run. So we're still
Okay,
very small now, but for us, price is it's nice when it goes up, of course, and it sucks when it goes down. But
yeah.
it's the bear market. It is what it is. I do think we're very undervalued, and we're an entire EVM layer one with only 3 to 5 million market cap currently. Top 100 project. So whatever the price is at top 100, I think it can happen. That's what we are working towards.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. So, guys, that is what you need to understand. The Planck token right now, if you are just focused on token, you can see the price at a perfect buying point. Of course, this is not a financial advice, but from my experience, I can say after taking a lot of hits on bad project, this is a good project that I've encountered, and I see how the ecosystem is growing. And that's why I bring you Thom, who just explained everything that you need to know about Planck Network. Of course, the project is new, the team is developing it, and that's where the early adopters comes into play. If you like the project, if you don't wait for it, just participate in its grants program, or if you are not a developer, just take a look at its token, and yeah, decide for yourself what do you want to do with Plank Network. I believe it's a good buy right now, and for the developers, it is the right time to just submit your project to the Plank community or the Plank team, and who knows, you will get shortlisted and win the 15K grants. Who knows? So yeah, give it a try, and I think we have covered almost everything about Plank. And any end notes that you want our viewers to leave with about the Plank network, or maybe any future plans, anything that you want to share with the audience right now?
Yeah, sure. So we got some got a lot of things in the works, and I can't say too much, but there might be small NFT airdrop.
Oh,
There have been talks of a potential snapshot for a second token on the Plank blockchain, and there are already some projects building on Plank, and there was some chatter about maybe distributing some tokens to Plank stakers. So who knows? Who knows? But yeah,
okay.
definitely exciting times ahead. So
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
join our socials. See,
Yeah, yeah, I was about to ask you, like, you must be sharing this on social. So what all platform, like Twitter, Discord, will you be sharing there?
yeah, Telegram and
Telegram. Okay,
Twitter. We
okay.
also have a
Telegram and
Discord
Twitter.
channel. Yeah,
So
that's the
again.
three big ones.
Oh, nice, nice. So I will also share the link of all your social handles in the description, especially Telegram and Twitter, because those are the key channels for any Web3 community building part. So yeah, that's what it's. I think we are almost done here. And the next time, if the thing goes well, we will do a live broadcast soon. So anyone watching this, you should subscribe to my channel, and definitely you won't miss out when the broadcast goes live. So do subscribe, do press the bell icon, and I thank you, Tom, for being part of this video. Thanks for sharing your knowledge about Plank Network. I wish you good luck and the team, and I'm hoping to see you in India soon
Thank you.
with your team, recruiting members or checking out the projects here because we have a lot of developments going on in India. So
Yeah.
please do make a visit once you get once you get started with the grant program. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much, and thank you for having us.
Thank you, Tom. Thank you, guys. Do subscribe, and all the links are shared in the description. If you have any question, do comment below. I see you in a new video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.
Take care.